special transit train. That train looks as sleek as a jet plane.
End of the line. Last stop. Everybody off, please. One thing very special about me is that I have engines and controls at both ends. When I get to the end of the line, my driver walks to the other end of the train and drives me back down the track again. I don't even have to turn around. This line has only one track, but there are 2 trains on it. Are you wondering why we don't run into each other, kids? I'll show you. At this special station, the line branches into 2 tracks. Whoever arrives first stops and waits for the other. And there's my pal, waiting for me over on the other track. Now, we can pass each other. Isn't that clever? If my track was longer, and if there were more stations, I'd be able to move even more people. I'd like that. We're coming into the next station. I know exactly where to stop. My doors slide open, and the passengers can step right on. No stairs. My ride is as smooth as silk. See my lovely interior? My cars are joined together by this expandable joint, just like the articulated buses. So you can walk right through from one end to the other. The next stop is right at the transitway station, folks. So any passengers that want to switch to a bus can hop off here. See you later, kids.